Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti the Future Maker. In this channel we provide information related jobs. Now we're gonna discuss in detail about one of the central government job, that is UCIL recruitment for 2021. UCIL means Uranium Corporation of India Limited. It is a public sector enterprise under the administrative control of Department of Atomic Energy. We have openings for this UCIL announcements, that is for the job vacancies for chief manager, chief superintendent and other posts. We're gonna discuss in detail regarding this. The qualification that are required for this job is the candidates who have completed MBBS or CA or MSc or BSc are eligible for applying for this job. Designations, as we discussed, it's either supervisor, foreman, assistant manager, general manager, chief manager, deputy controller. The vacancies that are available for this job is 47 vacancies. From STA onwards, you can apply via offline. And the last date to apply for this job is via offline, that is March 20, 2021. And the location is Simpam. The selection process for this particular one is based on written test and the interview. An applicant for the desired post will be finalized based on merits. The salary. The selected candidates will be recruited with salary with a pay from 30,000 to 2,40,000 per month. The interested candidate has to apply for this job via offline mode, that is on or before March 20. As we discussed, we have 47 openings for this job and they are divided into different categories, and we have as below. The deputy general managers have 1 post, chief superintendent have 4 posts, chief manager have 7 posts. Controller of stores is having a 1 post, and added superintendent mines is having 11 posts. Added manager is having a 1 post. Added superintendent, in that we have a mill institute and also survey. They also have a 1 post. Deputy manager or assistant manager for the security is having 3 posts. Deputy controller of purchase or assistant controller of purchase is having a 1 post. Assistant manager or assistant manager for the personnel and CS is having 1 post. Supervisor is having for chemical or a civil is having a total of 9 posts. Foreman for mechanical, that is of 3 posts. Assistant C is having a 2 posts. The age limit based on the post is as follows. For deputy general manager, from 45 to 48 years up to we can apply for this job. As per chief superintendent, we have up for 45 years, we can apply for 45 years. And also chief manager, we have 45 years age. Controller of stores, 40 years, up to 40 years people are able to apply for this. And superintendent mines is of 35 years. In the similar way, we have added superintendent, added manager, added superintendent mill, and deputy superintendent for mill. In the same way, we have till added superintendent for survey and deputy superintendent for survey. Till 35 years, they were eligible to apply for this job. Whereas deputy manager or assistant manager for security, they'll be having 50 years for application. And deputy controller of purchase or assistant controller of purchase, they'll be having a 30 years of age limit. Whereas for supervisory for chemical and civil, they'll be having a 35 years of limit. Foreman also is for 35 years of limit, and assistants is also for 35 years of limit. As we said, we have an application fee for this particular one. For general or a OBC candidates, they have to pay for 500, and the rest all doesn't have any fee. They can just apply for the job. If you want to see more details regarding this job opening, you can see the description of the video so that you can get the link. From that, you can download the application form and add the necessary documents. And then you need to post that document to General Manager, Uranium Corporation of India Limited, PO Jaduguda Mines and Districts, Singbam East, Jharkhand 832102. For this, you need to post the necessary application with the necessary documents so that it will be reached there and you can get the call letter to attend the interview. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for your time. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti the Future Maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.